Hi reading friends, welcome to another episode of Fatih Read Aloud. I'm Noval from Fatih Primary School. Do you want to listen to a good story? Now let's listen to a story by Khansa Jessica. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave comment below. Enjoy! Hi reading friends, today I'm going to read a story. The title is Ramadan is Here, written by Laila Khalfan, illustrated by Ziwei Chen. Ramadan is here. The holiday is a month long. Many people don't eat when it's light outside during Ramadan. My family shares a meal together after sunset and before sunrise. Ramadan is here. We study during Ramadan. Ramadan is here. We read poems during Ramadan. Ramadan is here. We make crafts during Ramadan. Ramadan is here. We sing songs during Ramadan. Ramadan is here. We win awards during Ramadan. Ramadan is here. We give to people during Ramadan. When Ramadan is over, we celebrate for 3 more days. We eat good food. We give and receive gifts. Only 11 months to go until Ramadan. Thank you for watching. See you on the next Fatih Read Aloud video. Bye!